The executive chairman of Eghe Local Government Council, Honorable Eghe Ogbemudia, don't call on the governor of Edo State, Senator Monday Okpebholo, who be the chief security officer of the state, the Benin monarch, His Royal Majesty Obubuyeye II, and the people of Edo State say make them come rescue her, as she and say the former NLC chairman Odion Olaye and one Collins Ekudayo they threaten her life and her position as the executive chairman of the council. Honorable Ogbemudia make this call for one talk session for her office inside the Local Government Council Secretariat on Thursday, November 28, 2024. For her talk, she come also clear the air on top the rumor where say them don't impeach her from her office as the chairman of the council. She come also chook back on top the plenty bad things where some of the local government councillors commit, say some of the councillors for early morning force themselves enter the council chambers and can hold one illegal sitting without the clerk of the house or other members of the legislative arm. She come here and say they even carry police protection from Oba Market Police Command and say she immediately called the commandant of Oba Market Police Command when she reached office and the commandant come give am his own side of the story.
I want to use this opportunity to say a big thank you to the people of Eghe local government for all their support since my resumption in office as the executive chairman of this local government. Today, something happened in Eghe local government council, and I was called by the ITV that something happened in the local government, that they wanted to find out from me what happened. I was not in the office. I was on my way to the office. It must have happened very early this morning. So when I got to the office and I found out and I asked people what happened, that there were police inside the Eghe local government council premises. There were thugs everywhere in Eghe local government premises. And to my surprise, when I asked them who were the people that came, and they said they were from the area commander of Oba Market, is the one that brought police to the premises. I asked why did they bring the police to the premises. They said Odion Olaye and one Mr. Collins Ekudayo, who said is now the leader of the councillors, some of the councillors in the local government, came to the local government today to sit forcefully without the clerk of the house, without the members of the legislative arm. They sat on their own while the police was protecting them with their thugs. They broke into the door of the legislative arm and they sat. I said that their sitting is illegal because you don't sit without a clerk. You don't sit without the full house. You cannot just sit and say that you have impeached or you have suspended anybody. So the information I'm hearing, they said they've impeached me. I just want to tell the people of Eghe, I am in the office. I am talking to you now from my office, that nobody has been impeached, and I remain the executive chairman of Eghe local government, and whatever they are doing is illegal. And I want to plead with the people of Edo State, to plead with Eghe people, to please continue to support me, so that I can deliver that dividends of democracy to the people of Eghe. To please tell Odion Olaye to leave Eghe local government council alone. I have the right as an executive chairman to work in a conducive and a safe environment. And other councillors have the right, and the staffs of Eghe local government council have the right to work in a conducive and a very secure environment. And I will continue to say this. I spoke to the police commandant of Oba Market Police Station, who said to me that they told them that because of the fracas of what happened in Uselu Market yesterday, that some people are coming to invade the council, but the councillors want to see that the police should bring them a cover, and the police should bring them a cover while they are bringing their own thugs, and they fill up the council with thugs. I was expecting the commandant to call me to find out from me if really there's anything happening like that in the council, but nobody called me. But he deployed over 20 policemen into this council to protect those 4 councillors that came to sit and said they have impeached or suspended whoever they have suspended.
The executive chairman come also bring out one letter of petition which she write and sent to her party, the People's Democratic Party (PDP) chairman, Dr. Tony Azegbeme, on November 26, 2024, and she come say this not be the first time when this kind thing dey happen. She come also here and say she dey serve the people of Eghe local government as per the instruction of her late papa. She come beg the governor of Edo State, Senator Monday Okpebholo, the respected Benin monarch, His Royal Majesty Oba Erare II, and the people of Edo State say make dem come help her, make she for fit serve her people in peace.
I have a letter here. I've been hearing so many rumors how Ogbemudia and the Kundayo of Moma has been planning to get rid of me so that they can, if they cannot even remove me from office, they will kill me just to allow their vice chairman to take over the council. This petition, I wrote it few days ago, and I took it to the party secretariat in Airport Road to the state party chairman, Dr. Tony Azegbeme, on the 26th of November to intimidate him of the plans of Ogbemudia and Ekundayo of Moma. And he said to me, he called me on the phone, and I went to meet him, and he said to me that the party have spoken to them that status quo remain. Something like this happened in July. First of all, happened in June. Then later again in July. And the House of Assembly met with the councilors and said to them, status quo remain, that they don't want any crisis. Until this day, Ogbemudia and colleagues Ekundayo of Moma have refused to stop the intimidation, to stop the threat, because they said until they get rid of my enemy, they will not rest. I want to beg Edo people. My father served in this state as an executive governor, as a military governor. He paid his dues. He did his best. I came now as a local government chairman to come and give that dividends of democracy to my people, to do the best for my people, to make a mini London. I don't know why they would not want to leave me alone to serve my people. Because my father told me, go and fix Eghe, go and serve your people. And I'm here to serve the people of Eghe and not to be served. I want to beg the people of Edo State to please tell Ogbemudia and Collins Ekundayo of Moma to leave me alone so that I can do what I'm asked to come and do by my father, who said, Eghe, go and repair Eghe. We are doing well in Eghe. Infrastructure, human development, everything we are doing for Eghe people. But they don't like this. They don't like good things. They don't want us to do anything good. They want everything to be their way. But the people of Eghe chose me to come and serve them. People of Eghe chose me to come and be their mother. People of Eghe chose me to come and be their voice. The voice of the voiceless. The voice of a widow. The voice of the less privileged. And is what I've been doing in Eghe Local Government Council. Edo people, please come and save your daughter. I have a letter here that I wrote that I'm sending to the Commissioner of Police. I have not sent the letter to the Commissioner of Police because I wanted to use the power of the party which we belong, the PDP, to speak to these people. I cannot be in a place where I'm not being protected. I cannot be in a place where when I'm going to work every day, I'm afraid to go to work. But I want to tell Ogbemudia, the former chairman of NLC, to please leave me alone to serve my people. I just have less than 2 years to go in the office. I'm not coming back as a local government chairman. This is my second tenure. I'm not coming back as a local government chairman. But for the time I'm going to be here, I will do nothing else than to give that dividends of democracy to the people of Eghe local government. I will continue to do my best to keep my father's legacy. I will continue to do my best to keep my good name, as my name remains Eghe Ogbemudia. Ego, people. Come and rescue me from the hand of the wicked. They believe that they have the powers. They went to the police to lie to the police. They believe they have powers everywhere. They have been telling people that they will do everything possible to remove me from my office. Even they have to work with the new government to remove me from my office. But I know that this new government, they want development for Edo State. I don't think they will listen to them or do their bidding to fight or remove somebody like me, who they know has added value to the development of Edo State. People of Ego, hear my cry. I want to please call our governor, Senator Monday Okpebholo, to please, as the state chief security officer of the state, I am the chief security officer of my local government. I am begging you to please come to my aid, so that these people will not get rid of me, so that these people will not do what they are doing to me. I have done what I have to do to cry out to the party, but nothing has been done. So I am begging you, my governor, Senator Monday Okpebholo, to please come to my aid, because I know that what you want for this state is development, and I'm here to join you, to support you, to bring more development to the people of Ego, to support you in your government, to make sure that the people get the best. And I will support any government that will join me to bring the best to my people of Ego local government, because Ego local government is my first priority. Please, I'm using this medium to beg you to please come and rescue me. As the chief security officer of this state, I know you can use your good office to make sure that I am being protected. The people of Ego are being protected. The people working in the Ego local government secretariat are being protected from these hoodlums who believe that they have the power to do anything that they want to do. Ego, Edo State, if anything happens to me, remember that I have complained. I have made this complaint. If anything happens to me, they should find out from Odion, Olaye, and Collins Okpoma. Please, they have been the one terrorizing this local government, terrorizing this council. Even today, they brought hoodlums to come and destroy what we have already been building in this council. I'm a law-abiding person. I don't take laws into my hands. Because I don't want to take laws into my hands, that's the reason why I am doing this. I want to use this opportunity to call on our Oba, Omonoba Nedo, Obubuyeye II, Ogidigan, Nulawowo Baba, Wogi Mohuna. Please, my Oba, rescue me from the hand of the wicked. Because Ego is where the mother of Oba is from. And I have been sent to come and fix Ego. Please rescue me from the hand of Odion Olaye and Okpoma. They have said they will kill me. There's a parable in Benin that says, Kowame ekenoro. Edanewena wakowa niye. Nuwagba oge menege na yore. But the gbema oko me. Robe Odion Olaye nikpekiaye. Nuwala wowo Omonoba Ogidigan. Nirawe nula wowo.
Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. we not dey take blame. From Eghe local government area of Edo State, Eghe Ogbemudia, TMC TV News.